Unlock effortless video creation and transform your content strategy with the power of InVideo AI. Let's dive straight into creating your first automated video. My goal today is to show you just how quick and easy this process is. The magic starts here in the prompt box. Simply tell InVideo AI what kind of video you want. Be descriptive. Mention the topic, the key messages you want to convey, and any specific tone or style you're aiming for. In seconds, InVideo AI analyzes your prompt and scouts for relevant stock media, images, and video clips that fit your description. It also automatically generates text overlays, which serve as titles and key talking points. Now you have a foundation, but the beauty of InVideo AI is that it's not entirely hands-off. You can easily customize each element. See this clip. I can swap it out for something else from their extensive library with just a click to find a better fit. The text overlays are also fully editable. You can tweak the wording, adjust the size, and even change the font to match your brand's aesthetic. And let's not forget the music. InVideo AI suggests background tracks, but you can browse and select from a wide variety of genres and moods to perfectly complement your video's narrative. Once you're happy with your creation, simply hit export. In a few short moments, your automated yet personalized video is ready to be shared. This is how you streamline your video production, create stunning content quickly, and truly unlock effortless video creation. Give it a try.